So here are the items I'm shipping out for today. I have a total of 7 orders, not too shabby. I'll start off with these. I bought these at a church sale. I did pay $8, but again, it was a church sale. Sold these for $21.08 plus shipping. This sleigh, which is a wooden sleigh that opens up and it's a card holder. I paid $1 for that at a yard sale, and it sold for $22. I have a Bennington Potter's mug here in the turquoise trigger handle. I paid $1 for that at a yard sale, and I sold it for $22.66. Let's see, where was I? The Funko Pop I did buy at Goodwill for $5, and he sold for $28.84. The Tervis wine glasses, paid $4 at Goodwill, and I sold those for $46.35. And last but, this was a Poshmark sale, 3/4 full Elizabeth Arden, and I sold that for $22. I probably paid 50 cents for it at a yard sale. And then my last find was this beautiful milk glass 19-inch swung vase. I bought it at a yard sale for $3. It was very dirty. I cleaned it up, and it sold for $70, which was a best offer. All right, so I'm going to get busy.